I saw Golu on screen and I was very impressed. And I was like, wow, ये तो बहुत अच्छा किया यार. 25 is looking very, very, very exciting.
Did you have inclination towards like other profession?
I wanted to be a lawyer actually. Vikrant Massey sent me a voice note कि अरे गोलू देवी आप आ चुकी हैं. I said ये तो एकदम बबलू की तरह बात कर रहा है.
How much of your self is in these deadly characters of yours?
I want life to be as Disney as possible, which is why my characters are as deadly as possible.
I loved your Cadbury ad. You know, it was so cute.
काम कहाँ है? पैसा किधर है? I'm not going to do anything related to fairness.
On social media, I said we don't promote alcohol, we don't promote cigarettes, we don't promote betting, and we lose a lot of money.
Numbers एक चीज है, पर जीना भी तो बहुत जरूरी है.
Tell me what has been like your biggest struggle in the industry? Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Alina Dissects. My guest today you've seen on OTT, in ads on the big screen, and today I have her over here talking to us about her journey and everything that goes behind her acting and her poetry. Please welcome Shweta Tripathi. Hi Shweta, welcome to Alina Dissects. Thank you so much for being here first of all.
Thank you for calling me to such a lovely creative space where the vibes are so good that I cannot stop thinking about work and creativity. Thankfully, दोनों मेरे वो साथ साथ ही चलते हैं.
That's what a lot of people say about this space. Like they come into this space and they feel like a positive vibe, and then I'm at ease that everybody is like feeling comfortable over here.
And you know, it's so important to read. This is the only. I was talking to somebody I really look up to, and who works with the United Nations.
Okay.
And I was asking them that, what can I do to help, to be of any use as a good citizen, as a sapien? And they said, just keep increasing your knowledge. Keep reading, because it's very important to ask. It's very important to raise your hand. It's very important to ask the right kind of questions. And
How does that help other people?
I think because you have so much to offer then. Because be it like we were discussing before we started recording, ki you said you read business books.
Yeah.
I have never picked that up, but if we have a conversation, then maybe I can tell you about something that I'm reading.
Yeah.
And you could be helping me out with tips and tricks of the trade, of the business. So I think there is the flow of knowledge and information is very important.
Right.
Especially in today's day and age, because हमारे मतलब phone पे या हर जगह ऐसे available है. But क्या होता है, मुझे लगता है कि जब available होती है ना चीज़, तो हम ज़्यादा indulge नहीं करते हैं.
Yeah.
So it's extremely important to just keep firing those cells in your brain, because when they spark, that is when magic will happen.
Yeah, and they also say that, you know, books are your way of traveling while you're sitting in one place. So like the kind of knowledge that you can get in like written books, also with the attention spans going because of our phones, I think reading book actually helps you to like focus. And I say this to the younger generation, that if you're doom scrolling and you have brain rot, that's the new word that's
brain rot.
Brain rot. That's, you know, it's added in the dictionary.
So I was trying to recall it, and I was telling my friends, I said, you know, brain fog नहीं है. I was like, क्या है brain rot? Now I finally know.
So how do you get away from that? Is do things that are outside of your phone that help you concentrate on something for longer, because we don't do it.
And I think the beauty about books is that you can focus, but you can also get lost.
Yeah.
Like I'm a huge Potterhead.
Okay.
And I remember that when I started reading, it was beautiful because I was on that table. I was in those classes. I was casting those spells.
Wow.
So you get to be and you get to experience something which is a higher level of emotion.
Right. Tell me, how does learning from all of this help you in your work?
Oh, a lot. Because the thing is कि I feel that all of us have our own bubbles that we live in. अब वो bubble आपको कितना expand करना है या छोटा करना है, that's totally up to you. That's on you. So the thing is that when you're reading and your knowledge, information, education, and just I think you get more clarity, or let's say I get more clarity when I'm reading, because we are lucky.
Yeah,
तो हम क्यों कहें कि हम lucky नहीं हैं? मैं हूँ blessed, so I have, and touch wood, even the people that I've met in the industry or the conversations that I'm having right now, they are important to me because they are meaningful.
Right.
So I feel just you become a better human with your experiences, and you can't go out there and have all the experiences. So what books do is that you get to at least get out of that bubble, and you
Right.
get to be a part of other worlds which you didn't even know or think that can exist.
You know, I'm so glad to listen to you because I've met a lot of actors, especially, or people in the field, whether it's drama acting that they do. They're so involved in only their craft that they have no learning and understanding of the perspective of others or the kind of audience or the kind. Now, if you don't read or if you don't listen to people or don't talk to people, you're only acting and you're only doing your craft. How will you have any knowledge about anything else to make your craft better?
True, and especially as an artist, it's very important. So even before, like in school, mom, dad, they always used to say कि spend your money on experiences.
Right.
क्योंकि वो ना लाइफ लॉन्ग मेमोरी रह जाती है. कुछ भी अच्छा, नॉट सो अच्छा, whatever it is, all those things make us. So that's why even I would love to read more. मेरा नहीं हो रहा है, and it bothers me and it annoys me. And then I think about it. In fact, Cheetah, my husband, he was watching a football match. He loves football. So I just got my diary out, and I wrote in that okay, what makes a good day for me?
Okay.
And reading was a very important part of it. And like for the past few days, because we've been on promotions and Ye Kali Kali Aankhein has happened,
Yes.
and Bye Bye to 2004 is happening. So we've been traveling a lot. So मेरी reading नहीं हो रही है. But I'm not liking that.
Yeah.
Like now, thanks to you.
Yes, I've
I
ignited
am-
it again.
Absolutely.
Now you have
मैं-
to read again, and so that you can, you know, you look like somebody who like really enjoys reading.
I do. And
Yeah.
वही पता है, हम दुनिया की भागदौड़ में ना जो हमें
Yeah, we
चीज़ें पसंद
forget
है.
what we do for happiness.
Absolutely. And I have books in my car. I have bedside pe. I have started listening to Kautik Srivastav. He does these 20-minute stories, second-hand stories. I'm such a fan. कि कहीं भी जा रहे हो, because हिस्ट्री, जोग्राफी, साइकोलॉजी, सोशियोलॉजी, सब कुछ पता चल जाता है. सो आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड दैट. Kautik does a brilliant job, and and he has a lovely smile as well.
How sweet. But tell me, did you always want to become an actor, or did you have inclination towards like other profession?
So I wanted to be a lawyer actually. Now hopefully I will be playing a lawyer very soon. Very excited
Okay.
for that. ये सारे मेरे जो तमन्नाएं हैं ना, वो मैं अपने कैरेक्टर्स के थ्रू पूरा कर लेती हूँ. Like for example, even for a part I wanted to go bald, and Gone Kesh happened. So I was ready. I'm a very enthu cutlet. So I said, अरे कर देते हैं. They said कि नहीं, हम linear नहीं shoot करने हैं, so we cannot do that. So you will be wearing a wig. But all these things, you know, they excite me. And जब ऐसा काम कर लेते हो, लोग कहते हैं कि श्वेता आप तो बहुत ही डेयरिंग और बोल्ड है. And I was
Yeah.
like, इसमें बोल्ड क्या है? मतलब because I truly believe that beauty is not just external. We've heard this many and many times before. But I truly believe in that, which is why when I want to dress up, I dress up because of a fabulous team that I have. And there are days where I just want to show what I look, and I am very comfortable in being just me.
I can see it today.
And I want to show that because it's absolutely all right.
Right.
आप अपने मूड अनुसार करो, जैसे स्वाद अनुसार चीज़ें होती हैं. तो I think it's very important to not try to do it for the gram, not try to do it for other people.
If
They
it
will
makes you
understand.
happy.
Exactly.
I tell them people who want to do a lot of makeup, yeah, do it if it makes you happy and creative. But then people who don't want to do it don't have the pressure of like, okay, I have to look a certain way.
True. To do it to please yourself. Because I think आजकल क्या है कि वही हम वो दूसरे के चक्कर में और बाहर इतना वैलिडेशन ढूंढ रहे हैं कि वो अंदर से आना थोड़ा कम हो चुका है. I don't want to let go of that because that is extremely important to me.
Did you learn this over time, or is it something that was naturally inbuilt in you when you were younger? I want to know because there are lots of young women who are like, how do you do it? Like they ask me, how do you face camera? How do you talk to people? How do you ask for something? I want to know from you where you got the confidence from.
So thankfully, in my case, I think I've always been a bit of a rebel. I always wanted to be on camera.
Okay.
So it never like a mic and cameras and the entire setup. It's a very sacred place for me. I feel very at home. I feel I can say anything that I want. I can make mistakes. I am human. I will make and I will hopefully understand and learn and evolve at
Right.
my pace. Would I want to be better? Of course, 100%. Am I doing everything that I can to be that? No.
Okay.
I'm trying. And I think that is the most important thing. But for people who feel uncomfortable, I think just we are giving too much importance to an external thing.
Do everything external.
आप वो
yeah.
भूल जाओ कि क्या हो रहा है कौन नहीं है. आप जो अपने दिल की बात है, if you're sure about that, just, or even if you're unsure, just say it. Worst
Yeah,
comes
just
to
do
worst.
it.
So that's one thing, that even when I go on stage or on set or for a conversation, क्या हो जाएगा, बुरा से बुरा क्या हो जाएगा.
That's what you prepare yourself.
No,
with.
I'm like, but whatever happens, I'm okay with that.
Okay.
On stage, if I forget my line or if I trip and fall, or कि कुछ कपड़े का wardrobe, something comes off from somewhere and you have to fix things, it's okay. It's not a big deal. I think we make our own big deals.
Right. That's why you get nervous. That's why people get like nervous on
Yeah.
stage and all. I've had that. I've overcome it by just saying that it's going to be okay and just doing that pep talk before doing anything big.
And breathing.
Yeah.
Breathing is so important.
So many people have told me that you're speaking very fast or you're not talking properly because you're not breathing right, and that's when I corrected it to come to know, okay, that was the problem.
On that note, I have taken a
Deep
conscious
breath.
deep breath.
But tell me, like, I loved your Cadbury ad. You know, it was so cute.
Thank you,
How did you go
thank
from
you.
that to like OTTs and all? Was it planned or did you take up everything that was coming your way?
For me, what is very important is the emotional response that I have to anything.
Okay.
Be it an ad, be it a film that I want to do. I need to be excited. Because acting is a psychologically and physically very demanding job. And I love it. That's why I want to be choosy. Also, the first film that I shot for was Haramkhor. And you know, the thing is, one thing that I've realized talking to my co-actors now is it really makes a difference who are the people that you work with or you have worked with.
Okay.
Because they influence you. And thankfully, I have done Masan, Haramkhor, Lakhon Mein Ek, where there were people who are driven by purpose, by passion. So the energy is very different. It's beautiful.
I think in these also the correlation I see is that they all want to tell good stories. So like
Yes.
storytelling is something that I've seen that all of your characters across everything that you've done plays, you know. It tells a story and then I feel like everybody around obviously is putting that whole picture together or whole movie together, whole show together to tell a good story that you're part of.
And everything is a plus other than that. But the most important thing is telling that story. So Nawaz Bhai had told me this during Haramkhor कि कुछ actors को तो choosy होना चाहिए.
Okay.
And that has stayed with me. वो literally ऐसा imprint हो चुका है because I agree. Because you give so much of yourself. And even the audience should feel ना, I like it जब audience को लगता है अरे श्वेता इसका part है तो मतलब, you know, there is a certain weight and value and respect that they give me. So I really want to give them and myself that respect. कि ये नहीं कि कुछ भी आ रहा है तो कर लो.
Have you said no to a lot of projects?
A lot.
What
a lot
kind?
of.
What kind do you select? What kind do you say no to?
In fact, just in the morning, there was a lot of great money and that was being offered, but my heart was not convinced about it. So I spoke to a few people, spoke to a few seniors, and all of them had mota given a go ahead ki no, you should do it. But there was something that was stopping me. So then that value, wo money ka, wo, it does not matter. Like that is not, numbers is not how I decide what I want to do. Because I feel, again, I am fortunate कि मुझे घर नहीं पैसे भेजने हैं. तो अगर ये है privilege, so let's celebrate that. Then why should I do what everybody else is doing? Because you have to run a house. You have to pay people. And you know, सबके अलग अलग requirements होते हैं. तो अगर मेरा वो requirement नहीं है, so I should let them be. And I should be, if I can, even more choosy in what I'm doing. So I feel again that if you have a blessing, then you should be thankful, full of gratitude, of course, and then utilize that in the best way possible, or what you think is the best way possible.
And did you have that option in the beginning of your career?
मैं काफ़ी लड़ाका रही हूँ, तो वो ना वो हर चीज़ में ही कहीं ना कहीं आ जाता है, बिकॉज देन यू आर नॉट अफ्रेड टू स्टैंड अप फॉर योर सेल्फ और अदर पीपल.
Okay.
Beginning से, like for example, something that I always was very sure when I had not even done my first ad was that I'm not going to do anything related to fairness.
Okay.
So even when I was not popular, when I didn't have that much money, I think कुछ morals and ethics बहुत important होता है. Of course, now you're living in a world where there is development and there is marketing and there's capitalism, and you play by the rules. But you make your own rules and you should be okay with कि भाई अगर ये चीज़ नहीं होगी then you need to be okay with it. I think that is very important. ये मत करो कि अरे यार वो चाहिए पर ये भी चाहिए अब आधा यहाँ आधा वहाँ और दोनों चले गए या दोनों मिल गया.
Then you're
it's-
everywhere.
It's खिचपिच.
Yeah.
I don't want that clutter. I want life to be as like I say, as Disney as possible, which is why my characters are as deadly as possible.
How much of your self is in these deadly characters of yours?
There are some traits, but I think there is a lot which is not common. Like for example, जब मिर्ज़ापुर अभी 3 आया था, and so with me, my friends say that I'm very hard on myself, but I also appreciate what I like. So when I saw a scene and we were seeing it, and in fact Mirzapur 3 released on 5th July and 6th July is my birthday, and I saw myself, I saw Golu on screen and I was very impressed. And I was like,
Yeah.
wow, like ये तो बहुत अच्छा किया यार. तो I do not want to deny that joy to myself कि जो
Right.
अच्छा है वो जो अच्छा है.
Right.
और अगर जो can be improved, it can be improved. हर जगह थोड़ी ना 10 on 10, पर जहाँ पे 2 on 10 है, that also I want to accept and call out for myself.
Okay.
Because again, like Papa says, that another intelligent, learned people say that keep your critics close to you.
Yeah.
क्योंकि आजकल की दुनिया में वो लाइक करने वाले, कमेंट, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब करने वाले बहुत लोग हैं.
Yeah.
बट वो कौन लोग हैं that who will tell you the truth, who will tell you, give you their unfiltered advice with love.
Tell me
Hopefully.
one critique in your life that has given you a harsh feedback that you had to work on and made it better.
I think my physically being fit.
Okay.
I think because I never paid any attention to that because I'm a very happy-go-lucky person.
Who told you?
And Cheetah,
Okay.
my husband, and he said that I want you to start with the entire fitness journey, not because to look a certain way, but you will feel a certain way. And that's so true. Nobody asked me to look this way for Golu. But I knew कि अगर ये लड़की गन उठा रही है and ये कर रही है, ये मर्दों की दुनिया में है, I wanted to feel that strength. And thankfully, so during the lockdown, I started working out with Cheetah. And then Pandey ji, who's my trainer, fabulous trainer, Tridev Pandey. And I want to do it every day now. Again, of course, you look the best you can. But you
feel
also
good.
feel, and that is, I've started this journey very late, but I want to request, I want to poke people to pay attention on that because processed food से दूर रहो.
Seriously.
Packaged food से जितना दूर रह सकते हैं और रह सकते हो वो रहो with be it aerated drinks, have it, enjoy it.
Yeah.
But do not overdo
Overdo
it.
it, yeah.
I think again quantity is very important. Portion control is very important. So live your life. I'm not saying कि आप एकदम ऐसा साधु संत सब कुछ छोड़ दो, but be more mindful about
of
it.
what you're eating. I mean, sugar, aerated drinks, and like processed food has really, it affects not only your body, I feel like it affects your mind. You
It
start
does.
becoming lazier, you start not being able to focus on work and all. You see, there's a correlation, but a lot of people don't understand that.
Yes, and have natural sugars. आप बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस है पर देखो तो एक्सप्लोर तो करो. सो इनफैक्ट जस्ट आई एम इंस्पायर्ड बाय गुरमीत चौधरी who's my co-actor in ये काली काली आंखें. He's not had sugar for a year and a half.
I can't do it.
So it's been 2 weeks. I'm doing artificial sugar. I think वो हर sugar करते हैं. I am saying no to artificial sugar. And the thing is मेरा anyway मुझे मीठा ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है.
I love.
So it was Jan से करना was very easy for me. What was tough was doing it from now. कि क्रिसमस के टाइम, न्यू ईयर्स के टाइम, क्योंकि तब तो सबका आपको नहीं भी पसंद है तब भी मन करता है.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay, let's just do this. So I've left it. I don't know
Nice.
कब तक. In fact, I with the audience, with you, even I will figure out कि कब तक I
Yeah.
can खींचो
But
this.
like you said, sometimes you can, if it's a celebration, you can indulge.
Absolutely, and there are always options now. That's the best part. आपको sugar free चाहिए, natural sugar चाहिए, गुड़ के साथ चाहिए, सब कुछ available है.
Right.
पर अपना दिमाग और अपनी आँखें दोनों को खोलना बहुत जरूरी है.
Everybody knows about your Mirzapur journey, but I want to know how the audition went and how did you land the character?
I tested for the part. Anmol Ahuja and Abhishek Banerjee casting पे, both lovely boys. Test के लिए बुलाया. I tested. I really like how this girl spoke her mind. She was not afraid. She seemed to be fearless. And what was also very nice is that in the same scene, after being angry, she also realizes that he did this for her. तो चाहे सही गलत जो भी हो, ये गोलू का ही डायलॉग है कि किसी एक का सही दूसरे का गलत भी तो हो सकता है.
Right.
And vice versa. So then she speaks to him about that.
Oh, that was your audition
That was
bit.
my audition.
Nice.
And I did that. तब वो चाय की टपरी पे था, लाइब्रेरी
Okay.
में नहीं था. So I did that and I really liked the character. Like Zenia Khan, I had tested for Zenia for Kya Mast Hai Life. I really liked who this girl was.
Okay.
So that is also something that I like to enjoy, that hey, ये लड़की कौन है?
Right.
You know, जो ऐसी बात कर रही है, because then that is exciting to be her. And then I got a call and then we are sitting here.
Did you do any preparation for it?
For the audition?
No, for the role then, once you got it.
For the role, because तब मसान आ चुकी थी, तो लोगों को लग रहा था कि ये तो श्वेता कर ही लेगी. And I remember going to Banaras and I was very excited because the last time we were there, we were staying in a much simpler hotel. So this time I was like, wow, यहाँ तो बाथ टब भी है. तब दुनिया बचाने की, क्लाइमेट बचाने की, पानी बचाने की इतनी अकल नहीं थी. So I was like, wow. So the first thing I was doing was कि थोड़ा bubble bath order करते हैं. And I was literally excited like a child going up and down till the time Vikrant Massey sent me a voice note कि अरे गोलू देवी आप आ चुकी हैं और चलिए मैं आता हूँ और फिर हम बातें करते हैं, रिहर्स करते हैं. I was like, ऐसे ये तो एकदम बबलू की तरह बात कर रहा है. I don't know what गोलू sounds like.
Yeah.
So then ऐसा एकदम स्पीड डायल पे मैं चीता को फोन किया. ऐसे चीता, what am I supposed to do? And he is used to these calls. He is
I'm
used to
sure.
कि वो जो बच्चा होता है ना, जो एकदम एग्जाम के पहले रियलाइजेशन होता है कि अच्छा बाप रे
How will
एग्जाम
you
तो
do
आ
this?
चुका है, बैक बेंचर. But because the script was so fantastically written by Puneet Krishna, a fabulous writer, we had Gurmeet, another Gurmeet, Gurupad जिनको हम प्यार से बुलाते हैं, guiding us. And the co-actors. I remember that the first scene that we shot was a badminton court में स्वीटी है, खेल रही है, एंड मैं साइड पे हूँ, गुरु बैठी हुई है बेंच पे. एंड दिस इज जब प्रिंसिपल, कॉलेज के जो प्रिंसिपल है तो होते हैं, वो कहते हैं कि गोलू हम चाहते हैं कि तुम इलेक्शन के लिए खड़ी हो. एंड देन शी इज थिंकिंग अबाउट इट कि करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना चाहिए. एंड मुन्ना कम्स, एंड बिकॉज मुन्ना वॉन्ट्स टू टेक स्वीटी आउट फॉर अ डेट. सो दैट वॉज द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट वी शॉट. नाउ व्हाट वाज गुड वाज बिकॉज नाउ स्वीटी के साथ एक रिलेशनशिप हुआ, मुन्ना ये आके कर रहा है, एंड देन जस्ट रोलिंग योर आईज कि अरे चल हट. So वो equation sat very well in the first scene.
Okay.
So I understood a lot
How
of
to-
like what this girl thinks, what she feels, and also how her heart beats. I think that is very important. Like for me, that the breathing of every character.
Right.
वो ज़रूरी है.
I think it also shows when the actors are getting into the character and playing it themselves. I think on screen as an audience also, then we can sense and feel that they are really in the character. I think your portrayals of your characters are like that. Like I can feel that this person is this acting, like you're acting the part out of it. Otherwise you get the jhalak of the real person in it. I mean,
True,
you know what I mean?
Yes, yes. And कई बार तो इनफैक्ट जब मसान आई थी सबने कहा था कि oh, you're just like yourself. And I'm like, that is not me. And then I realized कि अच्छा लोगों को मतलब है कि इतनी नेचुरल एक्टिंग है कि पता नहीं चल रहा आप एक्टिंग कर रहे हो. I said fine, because शालू is
Different.
very different. In fact, I remember हम लोग जब there was a screening for it before the film released, and Cheetah and my friends हम लोग क्लास रूम में बैठे हुए थे, and जैसे ही शालू का पहला डायलॉग आया ना, वो इतनी प्यार से बात करती है, that my friends looked at me कि हमसे भी ऐसे बात कर लिया कर. And I'm like, shut up,
Then you have to tell them it will be acting, then it won't be me.
Exactly. So that is a fun part. I oh my god, I love being all these characters. They're such beautiful, such strong girls in their own way. I like to celebrate them.
Yeah, we all should. We all do also. But tell me, how did your life change after Golu and like Mirzapur?
Golu yaar has become a household name. I love when people say Golu Didi because there is fondness and there's respect. और आई थिंक किसी भी रिलेशनशिप में रिस्पेक्ट बहुत ज़रूरी है
Yeah.
चाहे वो आपके पार्टनर के साथ हो इन लॉज के साथ हो फ्रेंड्स के साथ हो और एट वर्क बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी है रिस्पेक्ट सो दैट फील्स नाइस बिकॉज यू ऑल्सो अपनापन लगता है दीदी में
Yeah.
so and even now wherever we go you can feel the energy shift
Okay.
like Masan was a game changer for me there was a like you know ये validation का stamp कि bankable actor ये सारी
have
अच्छी
arrived.
अच्छी चीज़ें हाँ ये हो गया था मसान की वजह से Mirzapur has done that commercially
Right.
and I think both are very important because to be popular why I'm saying that it's important to me is because then there are certain things that you want to do and say you get the power you get a platform to do that what I want to discuss with you and I want tips and tricks for is that one thing that really bothers me is that what we are doing to the world around us what we are doing to the climate
Okay.
and I'm all for coexisting. But I think it's high time we bring attention to being more mindful about being in sync with nature. आप बिल्कुल सब कुछ यूज़ करो आप हर चीज़ but I think there are small things that can be done like for example if your clothes don't need ironing you do not have to iron press जैसे हम नॉर्थ में कहते हैं you don't have to do that conserve energy wherever possible like अगर पंखा नहीं है आजकल I feel हम ना सब चीज़ें बस छोड़ देते हैं we
Yeah,
take a
we
lot of
don't
things
pay
for granted
attention, yeah.
so how can I without being gyani preachy and annoying urge people like literally seriously I want to know what according to you can I do to spread more awareness
Okay, I'll
to
tell you.
spark this conversation
I'll tell you. Number one is associate yourself to people who do similar kind of things because
Okay.
they have the audience and the reach. And
Okay.
also the tips and tricks, right? We are saying we want to do this, but they have the actionable steps on how to do it. So you would partner with somebody because you have the reach, you have the face, and then they don't have that. They don't have the access. They want to tell more people about it, but then they don't have that. So you have that. If you have your face value and you have an audience that is listening to you so like closely, you should be able to partner with those people and say that, okay, I'm going to help spread your cause. Because the number one thing over here to do is to give information to people. Now, there are so many things that I've learned about the environment and about nature that I had no idea about. I'm like, oh, this is wasting so much of like energy, or this is wasting so
like
much of
what can you give us some examples
like just wasting like water, electricity. Like you have no idea. Like you said about like ironing, these are things that we have never thought of because we have never been told. We don't know that we are wasting like a business class ticket that you can avoid, or that you can, you know, because you're trying to save so much. You have no idea as a regular person that these things exist. So A, talking about it and informing other people. And for somebody like you, if I had to give you a tip, it would be that you should definitely join hands with people who are doing this because they're doing it really, really well. There's a content creator that came over here, Tanya Khanijo. She does travel content, and because you're travel, you're doing so much of like energy consumption. She partnered with a brand called Preserve that basically does shampoos and conditioners in like not plastic bottles, but they are bars, and you don't realize how much of a change it's making by just changing your shampoo plastic bottles, those big bulky ones, and using soap like a bar conditioner and a bar shampoo, and she's invested into that company.
Oh,
So
wow.
it makes so much of a difference if Tanya, who millions of people are following online for travel, is going out there and saying that, you know, stop throwing plastic bottles everywhere, use this shampoo instead. You know, that's the kind of stuff that would work out for you if you want to spread this. I would also love to. So, like, how do I do it? By conversing and getting my audience to know through conversations like this. What you could do would be to partner with people.
That's great. Actionable steps, actually. Yeah. I'm gonna, thank you. That makes
Because
a lot
we
of
just
sense.
say, okay, but then, okay, what can I do?
Correct.
that you won't know, that somebody who's an expert at this or somebody who's done it will tell the audience with you. Because they are educated on it. Like, I'm not the expert on like the environment or like how to save energy or how to save the resources, but I would definitely get somebody maybe over here and then teach my audiences this is how you do it.
Because I think everybody thinks that somebody else is going to do it.
Yeah.
But no, nahi aa raha hai koi.
You have to do your bit even if it is small.
Yes, we have to be our Captain Planet.
Yeah, because then only collectively will it matter,
True,
right?
true.
Like planting trees, like we have been doing that, like and then only that you think that, oh, one tree doesn't matter, but like imagine one person, one tree, and like how many together
True.
can you do?
True.
Plastic collection, like how much of waste. Like when I started running my own house is when I realized how much waste we create. Till then, I had no idea, right? Mama is doing house, help is doing. So I would not know. And then I realized this is how much waste. Every day, one person removes one person. Then you're mindful. Otherwise, you don't know. So many people don't know.
Thank you. Yeah, you've really got me thinking.
But that helps, right?
It does. I swear,
I'll
I'm
find
already
out
thinking
some-
about.
I'll find out and I will connect you.
Please.
Because I know probably NGOs or people that are working in this space that you can partner.
You're making me very happy.
Yeah,
Really, yes.
I'm glad I gave a good tip to you.
Yeah, because I think it's important that we do things for ourselves.
Yes.
But also for the community.
You have to give
क्योंकि हम
back.
रहते हैं ना कम्युनिटी में
Yeah.
तो और अच्छा ही लगता है.
Yeah.
If you do a good deed,
Yeah.
you will hardly ever feel अरे ये मैंने क्यों किया.
No, you'll
you
feel
will
so
celebrate
good.
yourself.
Yeah.
So let's celebrate ourselves and each other.
You know, I've seen all successful people have this in common. They want to, after they've reached a certain point, they want to give back. And they have to give back.
Wow, तो चलो हम successful हो
You
गए
are
मतलब.
successful. Obviously, you are. I'm glad that people like you are interested in these topics, because if you guys are not, how will the other people like kind of know about it or learn about it? You know,
Yeah.
if you're only talking about acting, for example, you're not talking about these things, how will people know?
True.
Because
True,
you
true,
have
true.
the voice, you have the audience, you've garnered that kind of attention.
You know, I just got an idea which I'm going to execute and I'll need your help with that.
Yes.
I have been wanting to do, like, for example, how to save the world in 60 seconds.
Okay.
Okay, and that could just be you saying, carry your bottle. 5 seconds over. So I'm not even taking
Right.
60 seconds. So I'm going to do that
That
because.
content piece will blow up.
Exactly. And I know a lot of cool people.
Yes, that you
So,
can do this
exactly.
way.
Imagine Ali Fazal saying that carry your own bottle of water. Guddu भैया कह रहे हैं.
Right.
कर लेंगे carry लोग.
Right.
So, you know, like your followers, everybody.
Yeah.
Because I think, wait, I want to make it entertaining. Because otherwise नहीं सुनना है.
Otherwise,
क्योंकि
yeah,
इतना दुख,
there's
दर्द,
so-
responsibilities हैं सबको. So, I want
You
to
have to
just
make
say
it
कि
fun.
5 सेकंड लगेंगे. इतना कर लो ना, स्विच ऑफ कर दो. 1 सेकंड भी नहीं लगता है. चलो, मे बी 1 सेकंड लगेगा. But that's it. Great.
You know,
great.
this reminded me of Ronaldo was at a press conference. All he did was take the Coke bottle, slide it over there, and take water. That's it. The shares of that brand that I will not name have gone down that day and the month, and then people are actually replacing it with water because Ronaldo put aside the cold
Come
drink and put
on!
water over there.
Love
like
it.
that was like, this is marketing. Like,
Yeah.
and then he was sponsored by the water brand. And he got a great deal on it. But that's what people who are in power can do.
True,
People
true,
who have
true,
an
true.
audience can do. That's all he did. He just said, don't have all this. Have water.
And you know, another thing is, greed is like quicksand. तो अगर आपको ये लगेगा ना, अगर मैं ये बोलूँगी जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि अरे फेयरनेस क्रीम नहीं बोलना चाहिए, फास्ट फूड नहीं बोलना चाहिए, दैट it's always, the temptation is always there कि अरे यार मैं ये मुझे यहाँ नहीं बोलना चाहिए क्योंकि what if कल को वही ब्रांड आ जाए मेरे पास.
Right.
But again, that's why I'm saying it क्योंकि कल को अगर मेरा मजाक बोगे ना कि अरे श्वेता ने तो ये बोला था, I want it. ठीक है, अगर मैंने किया है तो बिल्कुल किया है. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल many years back I had done it for a fast food brand. After doing that, I promised myself
You learn, yeah.
कि नहीं करना है. Exactly.
At least you're honest. You learn.
एक तो ये
How
भी
will
बहुत
you know
जरूरी है.
otherwise how will you know?
Absolutely.
Like
absolutely.
on our marketing channel on social media, Isaac, that I was telling you, we don't promote alcohol, we don't promote cigarettes, we don't promote betting, and we lose a lot of money because they pay the most. And also I do a campaign called Copy Alert. So anybody that's plagiarizing content, I post that for my audiences to see. Guys, campaign copied, guys, post copied. That's how I became viral.
Oh.
But when that happens and that brand comes and says, here's like 2 lakh rupees, 5 lakh rupees to post, just to post this. I'm like, no, but you've copied it. I'm not going to do it.
Yes.
Because that's what I stand for. Don't plagiarize somebody else's, like, as it is, like, not even inspired. You're copying the entire thing and then you're telling me to post it with my, I'm not going to
हाँ,
do
lazy
it.
बनना should not be accepted now.
What is, for me, it's not ethical. It's not ethical. I'm not going to do it. No matter how much, like, I will lose a lot of money. It's quite tempting, to be honest.
Yes, it is. It is.
But you got to, like, stand your ground. That's how you grow.
हाँ, क्योंकि वही ना
Otherwise
कि
you
यहाँ
lose
से
it.
aerated गया तो पानी तो आया ना.
Yeah.
तो
Right.
ठीक है, but you have to pick and choose your battles. I think everybody
Yeah.
should, because it's important.
Right. Tell me, what has been, like, your biggest struggle in the industry?
Struggle तो चल ही रही है.
What
And
kind?
ये, you know, the thing is that everybody says that follow your dreams. But nobody talks about कि आप follow your dreams में आपकी band बजेगी.
Of course.
It's not going to be easy.
Yeah.
But then again, we have chosen to be here. This is my choice. I'm not doing this because anybody else has asked me to do this. I'm an actor because that is what brings joy to me. I feel that this is my purpose. अब now इसके साथ what all I can do, वो of course that has to be explored.
Yeah.
But struggle is that waiting period where you feel that you are unheard. Where you feel यार मैं तो अच्छा काम करना चाहती हूँ तो मुझे वैसा टाइप का काम क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है.
Okay.
But the beauty about being an actor is also that waiting period, because the one project that you will invest in the most ever in your life is yourself. As an artist, more so. So I think वो waiting period में ना जो कि बहुत ही frustrating होता है,
It
जो कि
teaches
तब
you
लगता है,
patience.
it teaches you patience and you keep adding. आप अपनी skills book पढ़ो, जाके theatre देखो, musicals देखो. Today I'm going for Life of Pi.
Nice.
And that, because I think it's very important to go out there and experience things. Like you said earlier, that the conversations are very important.
Yeah.
So the more people you meet, the more you get to know कि लोगों के दिल और दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है. So I think वो struggle होता रहेगा, and struggle is a part of life.
Yeah.
And I think struggle is great, because the amount that you get to learn in your struggle period, जब आप सर्व कर रहे होते हो तब तो आप मज़े में हो ही ना. बट आप जब वो सर्फ बोर्ड उठा के आप अगेंस्ट द वेव्स आप जाते हो स्विम करके, यू आर ट्राइंग टू फाइंड दैट बैलेंस, you are getting tanned, you are getting sunburnt. That is where the learning happens. So which is why I
That's
think
when you
struggle
also
is very
value
important.
when you're surfing well, right?
Absolutely.
Otherwise, you won't value it because you haven't seen the low.
Correct.
Then you're high, how will you
True.
like value?
But struggle say I do not mean glorifying overworking or
Okay.
work exhaustion. I think ये एक चीज़ बहुत हमें there's a term for it. हम celebrate करने लगे ना कि I pulled an all-nighter.
You don't
I've
believe in
only
all
for-
of that.
I don't think it's good at all. I think rest, breaks are holidays are very, very, very important.
Okay.
Equally important. Because you need that downtime. You need to get bored. You need to be with yourself, with your thoughts. You don't always have to be stimulated. So that's why it's important to just be. एंड जब वो पीरियड होता है उसके बाद से जो ब्लॉसम होता है, दैट विल बी समथिंग डिफरेंट. सो अलाउ योरसेल्फ टू जस्ट.
Other actors have very hectic schedules and like shoot schedules and like work life because they have to, especially when you have that period of release or something. So how do you balance?
It is, but the thing is, there'll be periods, months and months of radio silence.
Okay.
Months or months nahi, but
There'll be phases.
there will be phases where you'll be like, कहाँ गए सब, काम कहाँ है, पैसा किधर है. And then there are days when there is work. Oh my God.
It's
वो कहता है ना
fun then.
ऊपर वाला जब देता है. It is, you are just on the go. So which is why in your resting period, in your interval period, in your break time, you need to rejuvenate.
Right.
You need to protect yourself. You need to pamper yourself with all things that are physically and intellectually that they keep that spark alive. There is this, it's active. And जिससे कि जब वो set पे या stage पे जाने का मौका मिले, then you just have fun. It's like sports.
Yeah.
Where you do your warm up, you do your exercises, you do your rounds, you're training for it, and then on the day everything is just peachy. You're just in the moment.
Right.
So it does get hectic, which is why what you eat, what you drink, everything is very, very, very important. And I think diet is very important, and diet is not just what we eat, it's everything
What
that
we're
we
feeding
consume
to our body, yeah.
be it social media, the books that we are reading, the conversations that we are having, the songs that we are listening to. Everything is very important, and हम ना वो इतना importance देते नहीं हैं, but everything that we consume has an effect on us. So
Yeah.
again, I think being mindful is something I want to do more in 2025.
You should.
Because I think I do it, but I want to be
More
more
like
mindful about being mindful.
That made a tagline. But I have one question to ask you. Since your character was so bold in Mirzapur, there was also a lot of, oh my god, how can she do this? Or how does she play this and all? And I want to ask you how you deal with that, because today, for a lot of people online, a little bit of hate also becomes such a big thing that we don't know how to deal with it. Now, with you, it's say on a larger scale, and I think you've dealt with it really well. So tell us how you do that.
I don't read.
You don't.
I don't.
So just avoid it.
Because the thing is that what will you get? Because there are people like that, and thankfully my audience has been very kind. So for the longest of time हमेशा प्यार ही मिला है.
Okay.
But the thing is that if you go for the good and वो एक bad आ जाए, and all of us know that कि वो एक ही bad वो फुस कर देता है.
Yeah.
I don't want to give that power to anybody. कि आपके मेरा मूड वही ना जो कहते हैं, जो मीम्स भी है कि मुझे खराब करने दो मेरा मूड, तुम्हारी वजह से मुझे अपना मूड खराब नहीं करना है. So I actually believe in that.
Okay.
That if there is something that needs to come to me, it will come to me. I don't even read reviews. Because I feel that is, with all due respect, that is your opinion. If it's constructive feedback,
Then
I would love it. Because I want to grow. I want to learn.
Yeah.
I want to interact. And from my experiences and other people's experiences. क्योंकि आप अपनी ज़िंदगी में तो एक लिमिट का एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हो ना. So I definitely, there are people that I look up to, that I listen to, and they're all ages.
right.
तो ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ एक पर्टिकुलर काइंड से मैं एडवाइस लेती हूँ. बट दैट ऑनेस्टी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हेट तो यार बढ़ती ही रहेगी. दैट्स अनदर थिंग आई हैव रियलाइज दैट द मोर पॉपुलर यू गेट,
Yes.
अनफॉर्चुनेटली उतने ही ओपिनियंस
Yeah.
हैं लोगों की, स्पेशली ऑन स्पोर्ट्स एंड फिल्म्स, की क्या करना चाहता एंड पॉलिटिक्स एंड क्या नहीं करना चाहिए था. कर लो ना. तुमने क्या किया. एंड ये मैं अपने पे भी वो करती हूँ कि लाइक इफ आई हैव सम सर्टेन एडवाइस और समथिंग दैट आई वांट टू गिव टू अदर पीपल, नाउ दैट्स अनदर थिंग दैट आई हैव स्टार्टेड डूइंग. अप्लाई टू
Yourself
योरसेल्फ.
first.
इवन इफ यू थिंक अरे ये मैं ऐसी थोड़ी ना हूँ, ठीक है, एक बार सोच लो. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मुझे इट यूज टू आई यूज टू फील अ लिटिल नॉट अनॉयड, बट कि जैसे चीता उठ के वो फोन देखता था, तो
it
मुझे
is
लग रहा था कि अरे आई वांट टू टेल हिम कि चीता डोंट डू इट. वी नो, हमने ये सुना है कि सुबह उठ के फोन मत देखो,
Yes.
एटलीस्ट 1 घंटे के लिए,
Yes.
बट हम कर रहे हैं. सो आई वांटेड टू टेल हिम, बट देन आई रियलाइज्ड कि वो 5 मिनट में अगर देख रहा है, 6ठे मिनट में मैं भी देख रही हूँ. So who am I to tell him that Cheetah, don't do this? So I was like, okay, let's apply it. And because I did that, now for 15 hours I don't open my social media.
Wow.
And life is good.
Of
I'm
course.
not missing out on anything.
Must be better.
Nothing has changed. So it's like, hey, this can be
This
done.
can be done.
So this is something that I'm now practicing, that if there's any advice that I want to give to somebody else,
First
पहले apply it खुद पे.
Tell me, you've worked with a lot of senior actors. Have you ever felt intimidated?
No. I think वो बचपन से I have been like this, where I'm always very excited. But I've never felt that, because also I've worked with maybe very wonderful human beings as well.
Okay.
Like be it Pankaj ji or Nawaz bhai.
Yeah, how was your experience with them?
They are also secure. And they are all very humble and modest and honest. So wo, I think that really connects. They have never made me feel that I am lesser experienced than them.
Okay.
That I'm younger, तो शायद उतना knowledge or information या जो भी वो नहीं है, experience नहीं है. They've never made me feel that. So
Nice.
I have really lucked out in my co-actors department, be it seniors or be it my peers as well. Like right from Ali to Jeetu to Pilgaonkar, everybody, Shashank. ग्रेट ह्यूमन बीइंग्स यार, मजा आता है इन सब के साथ काम करने में.
Okay, tell me one scene of yours that you've played that was very difficult for you to do it and you aced it.
आई थिंक मिर्ज़ापुर सीजन 3 में हाइड आउट में एक होता है वेयर विजय वर्मा's कैरेक्टर शत्रुघ्न, आई एम कैप्टिव. I was in a very different zone.
Okay.
And I get slapped in that, and there's blood, fake of course, coming out of my mouth, and I look at him, and Golu is very unlike me, and I'm poking him, like he says ki tum guddu ki, and I'm like haan guddu hi hai, but it's a very I love Golu for this because she's playing him.
Okay.
And she's not afraid. So she's poking him for a reaction which could be death for her. But she's going for it. So those scenes करने के बाद ना एक after doing a scene, it's almost like you teleport
Yeah.
to a world and you
I'm
come
sure.
back. So that feels amazing when that happens. Or even in Ye Kali Kali Aankhein, season 1 and 2, Tahir and I, we had this scene. And हमारे जब Vikrant and Shikha meet, which are our characters, it's always high drama because the stakes are so high because it is their love that we are rooting for.
Yeah.
तो इवन सीजन 1 में एक था कि बस स्टॉप के पास मैं गाड़ी से निकल के जाती हूँ, विक्रांत हाथ पकड़ता है शिखा का, एंड वी आर क्राइंग एंड आई एम एंग्री एंड आई एम फीलिंग सो बैड फॉर हिम, फॉर मी, फॉर अस. I swear I felt that I was in another world.
Yeah, I feel like actors, when they're playing the part, you feel like you're in that scene, in that character, and that place.
Yeah, and
You're
it's so
not yourself.
spiritual, imagine.
Really?
Because you're living in the now. There is nothing else that you're thinking about than just being there. And I crave that and I love that. Even in season 2, there's a scene जहाँ पे second episode में आता है, bathroom में एक scene हो रहा है. And literally my breathing is all over the place because you don't know what to do. You're feeling so lost. And Tahir and I, the thing is ki when you're crying and your faces are literally there, it's all guards down.
Yeah.
And it's beautiful to do it with an actor where you feel completely
Comfortable.
safe and comfortable.
Right.
Ki main jo man aaye, you can just emotionally be so intimate. I think that is beautiful.
Wow. And how do you detach yourself then from the scene? How do you come out of it? Is it easy or do you take it back home sometimes?
So it depends from scene to scene and character to character and story to story. There are some characters that stay with you, like Sandhya from Haramkhor and Gajgamani Gupta from Mirzapur. अब हरामखोर का क्या था? It was a feature film.
Yeah,
तो
so
हमने
it's done.
की and वो closure हो गया. I will never be Sandhya again. But thankfully, because I love Golu so much, I get to be Golu again and again. Or Shikha again and again. And then there is an excitement to be them. Because even you want to know कि इनकी life में क्या हुआ. Because obviously you're playing them, but you're also an audience and you're also a fan.
Right. Yeah.
Like I would be crushing on Golu. I also would be crushing on Shikha for different reasons. So I enjoyed that a lot. And Gajgamani, because her life is full of loss and anger and shame. There's a darkness to her which is so deep seated, and that'll always be with her. Like I think Golu and Shikha both, I don't know when they genuinely smiled last. तो वो कहीं ना, and especially Golu, because the way she dresses up, her body language, everything is very different. उसका वीर रस बहुत high है, and I love that. तो वो I stopped, like I love color.
Yeah.
I love my accessories.
Yes.
I mostly
I can
design with designers, of course, my own jewelry.
Nice.
That is me. But when I play Mirza, मतलब when I'm playing Golu in Mirzapur, तो मैं सब भूल जाती हूँ, and not consciously. It's not like a planned decision कि okay, I'm not going to do this because I'm playing. नहीं. वो अपने आप ही ऐसा हो जाता है. To one day cut to I realize कि ये क्या हो गया?
That's not me.
कहाँ गए मेरे colors? कहाँ गई मेरी accessories? So then I spoke to my therapist and she told me this, that you're psyching yourself so much to get into your character. What are you doing to get out of the character?
Right.
Listen to silly. I'm a very silly person. I love being silly.
Me too.
She said, be that.
Yeah.
Why are you depriving yourself of it's the time to disco or being a Teletubby? Be in your Disney world. Not at work because you're channelizing that. But जैसे ही shoot खत्म होता है, even if it's whatever, even if it's just a ring or an earring, wear it.
Yeah.
Listen to your song, call your friends or your partner.
It's that
or
little
whoever.
small thing that changes the whole perspective is what people don't understand.
Yeah.
They're like, how do we get out of depression? How do we get out of anxiety? And it's so difficult. But like these really small things matter. Like just getting out of bed, just going to meet a friend, making a call, or just doing things that make you feel happy.
Absolutely. And my
Yeah.
latest thing is that I want to do things that make my 6-year-old happy.
Yeah.
Because I love her.
Yeah,
I
of
think
course.
I am living her dreams.
Yes.
ये तो उसके सपने थे.
Yes.
तो वो बहुत सही बंदी है. So I want to, like, something that I've always wanted to do is a cartwheel.
Okay.
Quite a simple thing, but I don't know how to do it. So I have promised myself that this year, and hopefully the years to follow, I am going to do things that make the 6-year-old happy.
Nice.
Be it dance. मैंने भरतनाट्यम सीखा है. I was in the SPB batch, which is the special potential batch of SDIPA, Shamak. सब छोड़ दिया. I don't know why.
Because we get so lost in like living life in terms of like, you have to make money, I have to do this work, I have to do this job.
Yeah.
Then you forget what makes you happy. And I think that's what keeps the balance.
True.
To be
true.
able to do that.
Because the society is telling us ना कि
Yeah,
numbers
ये
are so
करना है.
important. चाहे followers हो या आपका पे चेक हो. ठीक है यार, numbers एक चीज़ है, पर जीना भी तो बहुत ज़रूरी है, और वो celebrate ही लाइफ करना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
To me, from this conversation, you feel like you're an empath. So like even your characters, you can really feel them. That's how you get into the character and play them.
Yeah, true.
Right.
Wow, yes.
I can read people. But tell us what's next in your journey. I'm looking forward to.
So, because you spoke about business, I have made 2 great fixed deposits.
Wow.
One is Mirzapur and one is Ye Kali Kali Aankhein, जिसके interests मुझे मिलते रहते हैं, personally and professionally. But there is lots of exciting work that is happening, and you know, for an actor, this is a question at least that I used to hate, or no, hate is too strong a word, that I used to not like पहले, was कि what's next? क्योंकि जब नहीं होता है ना कुछ, आप क्या बोलोगे?
No, what you want to do personally, what's next for you?
True. But हमेशा जनरली होता है कि so what are you working on next? And sometimes when there is no answer, you're like, I wish I had an answer to give. So it feels very good when you have an answer. Like, you know, जैसे मिर्जापुर रिलीज नहीं हुआ, लोगों ने पूछा,
When is
so
the
next
next
क्या है?
season?
नेक्स्ट सीजन क्या है, या what next रिलीज क्या है? Like, अभी ये हुआ ना रिलीज, तो मैं क्या मतलब ऐसे back to back. But thankfully I had an answer, which was ये काली काली आंखें season 2. So you feel हाँ ठीक है, पूछ लो. So this is that phase where I'm like, I'll tell you everything that's happening.
Okay.
There are very exciting feature films.
Okay.
Very exciting.
Can't
with beautiful women co-actors that have been wanting to work with, and I'm producing one of them.
Oh wow.
So
I can't wait for the story you have to tell.
Oh God!
Like
yes.
everything else apart, I really want to like know what story you're telling
Baapre,
this time.
I think
Pressure.
As an actor, I don't think I've felt that pressure, but I think as a producer. But I'm very sure of those stories because
I'm
when
sure,
I
it'll
read
be
them,
different.
yeah, and they're very simple. मतलब actually depends, कुछ अलग रहा है. But this one that I'm talking about, it is just so lovely. And when I was reading it, I cried.
Okay.
I was smiling. I was laughing.
Then
and
the audience
that
will do
is-
the same.
That is very wholesome. So that is what I want to do. So 25 is looking very, very,
Nice.
very exciting. I'm fingers crossed for it.
All the best for everything.
Thank you. What are your plans
I
for
don't know.
25?
For 25, I have to make the podcast go international.
Woo! Touch wood.
And it's happening, it's in the works. So yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
And what do you mean?
Interviewing guests from all over the world is something that I want to do.
Wow.
For our audiences, for Indian audiences, and maybe international also.
Excellent. Yeah. Wow.
That's like one of them. I have a lot of like different types of goals.
Wow.
Yeah. And also, I have one more question to ask you because nobody asks this to actors, okay? You obviously got into acting field. You have to be careful about what you're spending, how much you're investing, how do you get the money. And I'm sure you have a team that helps you, but how much of your involvement is there? And also, how do you manage and balance it? Because that part nobody talks to you about and it's so important.
So I don't know if this is a good advice or not, but at least how I function is that I make it very clear to my bankers, to my bank, my CA, all the money all the teams that handle and make me help me make money. I tell them पैसा कमाना मुझे आता है.
Okay.
That is what I will do. But please never ever tell me कि अभी ये महीने ना ये जाना है तो आप कुछ कर लो, because that is not how I want to operate.
Okay.
I want to make choices out of a creative urge because of a liking towards a concept or a story or a character. I do not want to be driven by numbers. At the same time, I want to be self-sufficient.
Yeah.
I want to be able to, चाहे एक किताब हो या फिर
Holiday.
office space हो या holiday हो. I want to be able to afford that. Not just for me, for my family, for my friends. I want to spend on my friends.
Yeah.
I love them.
Even I.
तो but at the same time I don't want the carrot to be just इतना money driven कि मतलब लग
Because
रहा है
then
कि
your
अब पैसा कहाँ से आएगा, अब
decisions
पैसा
will
आएगा.
get flawed. Like they will be on based on the number.
Yes.
So you
yes.
tell your team that okay, I'm going to get it whenever it comes, whatever, and then like the managing and all you guys take care of.
Absolutely because वो उनका expertise है.
Right.
ये मेरा है, ये मैं कर रही हूँ. यहाँ पे I am trusting you, but thankfully I have a very good team. So they understand that and they appreciate that. So I think it's very important to be voicing your fears,
Yeah.
what you're good at and what you're not good at. क्योंकि अगर आप ये पूरा एक एक्ट करोगे, आप नहीं कर सकते ना सब कुछ.
Right.
Numbers मेरे सर के ऊपर से जाता है. Now being a producer, I will have to pay a little more attention to that.
Right.
Because I always believe that it's not about your money, their money, my money. पैसा वेस्ट नहीं होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
Just like पानी, just like electricity, just like energy. वेस्ट मत करो यार, चाहे किसी का भी हो. आई थिंक यू नीड टू अगेन रिस्पेक्ट दैट
Yeah,
एज वेल.
yeah.
सो गेट अ टीम ऑफ पीपल दैट यू
Can rely and trust.
yes, that is
That
very
is
very
important.
important. And at the same time, even if it does not interest you, कुछ चीजें
have
basics
to
कर
know.
लो because
I
you
feel
will
like-
feel more confident.
Yeah, and again, it's something that you can always acquire and learn. It's a skill that you can work. I know a lot of people are just afraid of numbers. I've been my whole life, and then I'm like, okay, if I have to run a business, I need to know the numbers.
True.
Of course, I can give it to somebody to handle, and that's what I do. I give it to experts who can do it faster and better than me. But if I don't know it at all, it's going to be a problem. So I might as well take that effort and just be like, understand it at least. It's not rocket science.
True.
That's basic.
True.
So-
Also, I think it's very important to save, to invest.
Yeah, correct.
वो बहुत
Especially
ज़रूरी
for
है.
women.
100%. And you know, also especially when you don't have a regular paycheck coming in.
Right.
There have
For
been,
creative
you know,
people, for sure.
days, back-to-back days, suddenly there is a lump sum coming, and suddenly there are months where there was like, again,
It's the same for business.
oh.
Of course. You try to keep it as much, but 1 month maybe there's not as much coming in. Sometimes you have a big project that's coming in. Sometimes you have a lot of expenses in front of the income that's coming. So it's always variable.
तो सेव करना जरूरी है, but also enjoy करना बहुत जरूरी है. Because I
That's
think हमारी
true.
एक ये mentality है, where we think, you know, save. But then what are you saving for? I think कि ठीक है कि आप 10 रुपए में से जितना भी आप अगर
I call it investment on self. You should invest in yourself because it's going to make your productivity better. Whether you take a course or whether you take a holiday, it's going to impact how you work, and it's going to be an investment that you put in
true.
yourself.
That's true. Like even all the things, like for example, be it gymnastics or
Yeah.
dance
Yeah.
or drums, जो मेरा बचपन का सपना रहा है, I have everything to make it happen now. Why am I not doing it?
Right.
क्लासेस के पैसे हैं, वहां जाने के, गाड़ी में आने के, खाने के, पीने के, सब कुछ है. Then what's stopping me?
Right.
So why I want to ये जो excuses
Yeah.
है ना, I want to erase those.
You know,
कि
if you
श्वेता, come on.
write them down and then remove what all you feel like are very extra, you'll be able to do it. Again, if
Okay.
you just organize it.
Okay.
Okay, I've not done drums. And whatever you're saying, no, that I'm noting down. Like if you put them all, and I will be like, okay, in 3 months maybe, okay, I don't have the time, but then next I'll keep it for a 6-month goal that I will do this. If you organize it, you'll be able to do it.
I'm gonna do that today. I am going to do
But
that
you know, something
today.
you do for passion that I really love is your poetry. I love it. Like, how do you come up with it yourself? You love performing it, or you started with it, right?
I actually, thanks to Shalu Gupta,
Okay.
Masan, I started it. Because वो हुआ, character ने किया, and another amazing thing about being an actor, because we borrow so much from our characters,
Yeah.
we learn so much, we give them a little and we take a little as well. So poetry started with that क्योंकि लोगों को बहुत पसंद आ गई.
Yeah,
मैंने कही तो बहुत अच्छी है.
Very good.
I have the ideas. In fact, I have an idea for what I want to do next also. I've not started writing yet. That I am not, because I think my writing is more like nice nursery rhymes, which I'm okay with. I definitely want to write. Okay, fine. Now you've inspired me to do that as well.
You have a list to make after
yes,
talking to me.
I'm gonna. But I know the idea and the concept, and it is. वो क्या कर सकते हैं, and this is coming from the same thing of let that be, वो छोड़ो कि वो क्या कर सकते हैं, तुम क्या कर
What can
सकते
you
हो.
do? Yeah.
Again, and it is from
It's
climate
linking-
change and
it's
everything
linking-
as
I was
well.
just saying, it's linking all of your agendas together.
Yeah, yeah.
So it'll be impactful. Like, I love your poetry, and even if it's written by somebody else and you're saying it, it's so much of a difference, because like when you walked in, I said, did you learn how to orate, because you're such a good orator.
Thank
You can speak so well.
Again, I think बचपन के ना experiences, because I
They
used to
form
be in the debate society.
Ah.
वहाँ से आता है, तो इसलिए मतलब yes, marks and पढ़ाई is very important, but please be it dance, be it drama,
Yeah.
be it
Sports or, like,
science,
activities,
whatever it is, but please do that, because that is when you will realize that what is sparking that joy. And once you figure out what those sparks are, and then you just multiply them.
And then you have an easier path to getting into your career and what you want to do, because
Yeah.
then you'll know what you enjoy, and then you'll be able to make a career out
And
of
you
it.
also figure out कि क्या नहीं चाहिए.
Yeah, that's
हमेशा
so
वो नहीं होता कि क्या चाहिए वो नहीं मिलेगा, but at least ये भी होगा क्या नहीं चाहिए.
Yeah,
So yeah.
Interesting. I'm glad. I thought this conversation was going to be something else, but I'm glad it like took form in whatever it did, because I love how open you are and how you can like talk on all different types of topics and not just like acting.
But also because I realize this conversation, I can have this conversation with you.
Yeah.
Where I am not trying to be somebody
Yeah.
else, where I am sharing with you, because I know I will get that back.
Right.
So that is also, the
It's
give and take
important.
is extremely
Yeah.
important.
Also, I was just telling your manager before you came that we don't have a lot of people that don't ask us what you're going to ask. Everybody usually is like, send us what you've prepared, what are the questions and all. And I love it when you don't ask. There's some guests who don't ask, because then the conversation is free flowing. And then it's really like it's a chat outside. Like I would talk to you off camera about also all of
True,
these things.
true.
And that's what resonates with the audience. Then they be like, okay, I can like get a grip of what is happening, other than like it being like an interview. Yeah, so
True,
that's
true.
the difference between the podcast and an interview.
True, that's true. Thank you so
So
much.
I hope
for
you had a great
this.
time. I
did.
hope I tried to ask you questions that you haven't answered before, a lot of them. So like that's.
एंड
how
मुझे
it
वही
is.
लगता है कि प्रोजेक्ट एंड उन सब के बारे में तो
We've
इधर से
done.
एग्जैक्टली और लोगों को पता है. आई थिंक इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट टू नो द
Exactly.
पर्सन एज वेल.
This who taught me, Sanjay Mishra. So
Acha.
when he's like, I was the first question I asked him when I entered his studio house. I was like, why do you have like Hanumanji, and then you have Ganeshji, and then you have Ayatul Kursi in your house? Like that I want to know over like his
Exactly.
like how do you have like 5 gods in your house, or like the spirits of
और
them?
क्या
And
कहा
then-
उन्होंने?
And then he said he asked me, he's like, you know what Ayatul Kursi means, na? So I said, yeah, I'm a Muslim. So I said, yeah, I know it means it's for protection. वो हिफाजत करती है. So he was like, so for that reason I kept that. And he's like, I need the energy, whatever is good from everywhere, I take that and I put it in my place and my environment.
Wow.
Now that is
love
a conversation that you
Love
want
it.
to get out. I don't want to ask him, okay, like acting and Bhool Bhulaiya and that also I asked, but like the first thing that struck me was like, on the way, why is there an Ayatul Kursi in his house, or have I come to the wrong house? And then I entered and then I saw Ganeshji, and then I was like, okay, there's like everybody over here.
That is so
how
nice.
It was his space, it was his happy place, and that's how he designed it.
Hey, wow. Mishra ji, full points to you.
And I spoke to him about like life, like about like all the other things that go into an actor that we don't see and we don't hear.
Thank you for asking the right questions,
I'm
which
glad you
lead to
enjoyed.
great conversations, because
Yeah.
that is, I feel, the need of the hour.
Yeah, so from reading books to like just doing what makes you happy, I think are the things that you've spoken about that people will definitely take back.
I hope so, to saving the world.
And with
One
so much
podcast at a time.
enthusiasm, people usually don't match my enthusiasm. So I'm so glad you have.
Thank
so
you.
nice talking to you. Thank you so much for being here.
And I wish magical, super healthy 25 for you. And I'm guessing you like to travel a lot.
Yes,
So
I love
lots
traveling.
of that. And of course, saving the world.
Yes, that also. We should do it together.
Done.
I'm going to do it with you. But thank you so much for coming. And I'm sure that, I'm sure next year you're going to come again. Like, I have to call you again.
Fingers crossed.
Because there's so much to talk to you about.
True.
Like, I can't stop.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for being here. Thank you guys so much for watching another episode. I had so much fun doing this. Leave your thoughts in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.